I really want to live to 100, so I try and stay on top of the longevity molecule research, and this is a big one, and I think it's actually okay to get hopeful about it. Jumping right to the conclusion, in this study, they dosed mice at 6 months of age with both rapamycin and trametinib, and their median lifespans increased by 29% in the female mice and 27% in the male mice. That's insane. And I could talk about how it reduced tumor rates and it reduced rates of inflammation and it had positive effects in the brain. But what I think is most important to talk about is how we know which of these results we can get hopeful about for humans. This study was done by the Max Planck Institute for the Biology of Aging, which is one of the top longevity research institutes in the world, and also looks like somewhere where the Jurassic Park eggs would come from, or the eventual cure for cancer. The most compelling reason to be hopeful, though, is that rapamycin has been shown to extend the lifespan of yeast, worms, fruit flies, and mice. There's currently a study underway in dogs and marmosets as well. The dog one is called the Dog Aging Project, just got more funding last year, and it will conclude in 2029. That one, if they show that it extends the lifespan of dogs, I'm straight up taking rapamycin. There's one more thing you need to know if you want to keep up with longevity research, and that's the intervention testing program, the gold standard of longevity molecule research. So the NIH has a department called the National Institute on Aging, and they fund something called the intervention testing program. It's probably the best use of public money I can think of. Their whole goal is to take all of these longevity candidate molecules and run them through the most scientifically rigorous process involving heterogeneous mice that are all genetically diverse, so you're not going to get a weird finding just based on the genetics of this one lab mouse strain. They've tested hundreds of candidate molecules. You can see them all on their site, and they almost all show no benefit, but rapamycin shows consistent benefit. The craziest result they've had was giving mice early in life rapamycin plus acarbose, which is like metformin, it like reduces your blood sugar. And the median lifespan extension in female mice was 28%. The median lifespan extension in male mice was 37%. That is so nuts. I mean, even I'd take a 5% increase. I'd be psyched about that. They currently have this same trametinib plus rapamycin combo that the Max Planck Institute for Biology and Aging just had that I started this video with. So we'll get their result to probably doubly confirm this. And I am just so psyched for the results of this dog aging project. I want an excuse to start taking rapamycin.